we're at Golspie, and we're at this little campsite just off the A9. Basically, the A9 is behind me, just there, and this is a little site we stayed at last night, and I'll just show you what it's like. It's got electric, it's got water and electric on most of the pitches. You can get it with no electric. No electrics is $24.50, with electrical is $29.50, so it's okay. You got your bins here, and oh, there's some food. There we go. Elson Point, Motorhome service point with water, drinking water. It's a bit awkward, that is, to get on, but you can get on with a big van, or biggish van. There is a toilet here, a reception. Don't think it's always open. Toilet, when you book onto the site, they give you the number for the toilet and the bathroom. So yeah, that's pretty good. It's all very tidy, very neat and tidy. So A9's just over that wall. Yeah, so the A9 is just over that wall. I think they're doing quite a nice little job here. It's only a very short walk into Golspie itself. So, and it's got all the amenities. There's a co-op there, and there's a bit of a beach walk and what have you. Yeah, it's quite good. You see, it's got electricity and water on nearly all of the site, all the pitches. But you do need to book before you arrive. You ring up, there's a number that you ring up. When you get here, you need to ring and let them know what pitch you're on. So other than that, as a little stop off overnight on the A9 going on the NC 500, this is spot on. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Susie's not here, so bye bye.